How to find relevant leads from your LinkedIn connections in 10 to 15 minutes. This will be very handy if you have hundreds of LinkedIn connections and you'd like to find relevant leads quickly from LinkedIn. So this is a 4-step process. So let us go step by step. The first one is downloading the connections. So what you have to do is go to LinkedIn and from your profile picture, click and go to settings and privacy. From there, go to data privacy, click on download your data, and then you have to choose the first option, which is download larger data, including connections, verifications, contacts, etc., and request archive. It will take up to 24 hours for you to get this data. It will come as a zip file to your email ID, or even if you come here to the same place and check, after a few hours, you will also find the download link. Once you have that, download it to your system, to your laptop or desktop, and extract that particular zip file. It will give you a folder file structure like this, and from that identify the file called connections.csv. That is the one which has the information of all your LinkedIn connections. Once you have this, we can proceed to step 2, which is defining your ICP. ICP stands for Ideal Customer Profile. So you can actually ask Claude or ChatGPT, hey, ask me all the questions that you want so that you can come up with my ICP definition and give it to me in a .md file. Now, .md file is a file format. It's called Markdown file, which is very efficient as compared to document or PDF files for all these AI tools to process. So download the ICP profile description as a .md file. Moving on to step 3. Now open your Claude Code and navigate to the folder where you have both this connections.csv and the ICP.md file there, and then give a prompt, something on these lines. Hey, here is my LinkedIn connections, all my LinkedIn connections in this connections.csv, and here is my ICP.md, which has a detailed description of my ideal customer profile. Now go through all my LinkedIn connections and can you identify the connections which matches my ICP and rank them on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the ones which has the highest fit or the highest match as per my ICP, and 1 being the lowest match. Compile this information and put it as a .csv file so that I can later update it to my Google spreadsheets. Give this prompt to Claude Code and give access to these 2 files. And how to do that, you can also ask Claude AI in terms of how to do this as well. Once it is done, we are at the step 4, which is the scored output. So Claude Code, it will run this command, it will process both the connections.csv file and it will come up with the matching list as per the match to your ICP. And finally, it will give you a processed .csv file, and it will look something like this, wherein we can see all these connections are scored as per the match to my ICP, and it also comes up with a reason in terms of why it thinks it's a match. And once you have this, you filter it by the ones, let's say, which has the match of, let's say, 9, 8, and 10, and then you can start reaching out to those potential leads. The bonus tip, if you want Claude Code itself or Claude itself to come up with that outreach messages, you can also ask Claude Code to do that and maybe add it as a separate information in one of the adjacent columns. I hope this is helpful. Try it out and do let me know in the comments if you want any clarifications. Cheers. Join the next cohort of Claude for non-tech founders and leaders. Scan the QR code to register.